Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. I am Amit Bahedia. Today I'm gonna talk about my latest project on data analytics, and the project is on the retail store shrinkage analysis. And this is very uncommon project. You find a lot of projects related to the retail data or any customer related data on LinkedIn, but this is little bit uncommon because it is related to the specific thing in retail, which is shrinkage. Okay, so before start any data analytics project, it is very necessary to understand what exactly the problem statement is, what is the sector. At least we should have the basic understanding. Then only we can go to the data, and then we can start our analysis and other things. But main thing is that we have to understand what exactly the problem statement is. Now here you can see on my screen the problem statement is to identify and analyze inventory shrinkage trends, including theft, operational errors, and losses across stores, brands, and product category during the period 1st Jan 2024 to 30th of June 2024. Objective is to quantify shrinkage, uncover actionable patterns, and recommend preventive studies that reduce the financial loss and strengthen inventory control across the retail high. So retail high is here is an imaginary company, okay, which I have just taken for this particular project. Okay, so what exactly the shrinkage is? Shrinkage is basically the loss of inventory before the particular product is sold. Okay, and it's the worst thing for any company which is into the retail sector or any retail store that they are having a loss without selling the product. And this is a usual problem that all the retail big retail companies or small retailers are facing nowadays. Okay, so main thing is very necessary for the company is that key to analyze the shrinkage level at the stores level, also at the product level also, to avoid the effect on the financial performance. Because if the shrinkage quantity is high and the shrinkage value high, then it definitely affects the company performance. So it's very necessary for the company to see how the shrinkage level is with the product or at the stores. So to do execute this project, I have used the Power BI tools. Data was randomly generated by me, and it's completely the unguided project. All things are uh, done from my side, including the hypothesis and whatever the things you can see in this project are completely done by me. Okay, and I'm also very excited that when you do unguided projects as compared to guided projects, you do a lot of things from their own side, because in guided projects you just see the normal steps which you need to follow, or the things are provided to you. But when you do unguided projects, you have to data you have to generate the data randomly from the source. You have to clean and transform the data from your level. So unguided projects are very helpful. Now, for this particular project, I have done analysis at three levels: store level, product level, and overall operational level. So, I have generated the insights to Power BI. Another important thing is that generating dashboard or any other thing is not the ultimate aim. Ultimate is aim is that we have to solve a particular problem. It can be any kind of general problem, a specific problem. The main aim of data analysis is not to create dashboard or generate just insights. You should execute project in such a way that it can solve a problem, or it can provide methods to solve a particular problem. Okay, so let's check the dashboard. So first we go at store analysis dashboard. Okay, so in store analysis dashboards, there are three main KPIs. Even it's for the shrinkage. Whenever we want to do any shrinkage analysis, the three main KPIs are what total shrinkage units, total shrinkage value, and average shrinkage rates. These three KPIs are very important. Okay, and if you see the visuals, you can see that all the visuals I have created, regional level, monthly level, or the state level, are on this. Means what are the shrinkage unit for the particular month, what is the shrinkage value, how it varies across the different month, what is the average shrinkage rate. Okay, apart from all these visuals, you can see a one good visuals, that is a heat map. The middle one visual, that is a heat map, and it's a very wonderful visual in Power BI. So heat map is just like a heat, just like as the name suggests, like a heat. Where the quantity is more, heat is high. Where the quantity is less, heat is less. I mean to say the value. Here I'm referring the quantity as a value. So here the heat map is generated for the total shrinkage value, and you can see the store which has highest shrinkage value. It is on the dark color. then you can see that the things are on lighter side as the value decreases. Okay, so I have created several visuals, and you can filter down the visuals as per the requirement or the kind of insights which you want to generate. So if you want to derive the things at the monthly level, you can select the month. If you want to derive the things at the state level, you can just select any state. So anything we can do. Okay, now the another dashboard I have created is for the product analysis. So at product level analysis means the how the product what is the shrinkage level at particular product level, or what is the shrinkage quantity as particular brand or category. So we can do the shrinkage analysis at particular product level also, or by the particular category also, or by brand also. It's up to us. So it's totally up to the company how they want to analyze their shrinkage levels. Okay, for example, if I want to do the shrinkage analysis at a particular product level, I just need to select that product. Okay, then I will get information for this particular product level. Okay, if I want to get the shrinkage level for a particular brand, so simply what I need to do, I need to just select any brand. For example, here I have selected Nova. So whatever information now you can see here, it's for the Nova brand. Okay, what is the total value shrinkage value of the Nova brand? How many shrinkage units are there for the Nova brand? So all things you are able to see. So we have seen the dashboard for the store level, and now we have seen the dashboard for the product level. Now the final dashboard is for the is at the operational level, overall operations, and it's basically on the, you can see, 1 minute I think. Now we are able to see. So now the third dashboard is for the overall operational level. It's the overall performance of the overall performance, or you can say the overall shrinkage level across the company for this particular time period. You can see I have created visuals like total shrinkage value by month, total shrinkage quantity by month, or average shrinkage rate by month, actual stock, total actual stock, and total expected. So shrinkage is basically a variance, and it it is calculated by total expected stock minus total actual stock. So that is basically a shrinkage. So definitely, if the quantity is higher and unit price of product is also higher, then the shrinkage value will be higher, and definitely it can come. Then it will definitely affect the financial performance of the company because it will directly go to the loss. And so definitely, it is very important for the retail companies to check their shrinkage level on the periodic basis. Now it's up to the company whether the company wants to check the same at the monthly level, quarterly level, annually level. So that's totally up to the company ki how they want to manage their shrinkage levels. So logically, if you sorry, if you see that company cannot reduce the shrinkage quantity or the shrinkage value to null, it's not possible. Means it cannot reduce it to the zero. Some level of shrinkage is also there. Main thing is that ki it should not be on the higher side, otherwise it will definitely affect the performance of the company. So that's the key thing company has to see. Okay, one visuals I have created for the efficiency score. Efficiency score is one of the major key performance indicator for any retail sector. If that particular retail chain has stores across a different location, because uh, uh, a store performance is always measured by its efficiency. So how it is efficient? If the total sales divided by the total sales divided by the total shrinkage value, if it is on efficiency score basically is like a total revenue divided by the total shrinkage. Okay, if it is higher, then definitely we can say ki total sales are on higher side as compared to the total shrinkage. If it is in lower side, we can say ki company has uh, higher level of shrinkage, and it is affect the revenue performance of the company. So definitely efficiency score is very important parameter, and usually the big retail companies measure this parameter to check the performance of various stores if it has if it has present. Okay, now so these are all the things from the dashboard sides. Now finally, what I did, I have created one file in which I have put all the general insights. So usually, for in this particular document, you will find the general insights at the product level, at the store level, or at the overall efficiency, overall operational level. You can see, so store level, you can see the total shrinkage unit. We saw the same over the dashboard. Also, it's 39,609 total top stitch by the shrinkage quantity. So all things company look, and it's very necessary for the company to improve its financial performance. Efficiency score, we talked about total revenue divided by total shrinkage value, and it's basically used to rank the store performance and operational control. Product level, what are the top products by the shrinkage value, highest shrinkage rate by the category. So we can do the shrinkage analysis at the store level, at the product level, at the brand level, at the category level. So at any type of level, we can do the shrinkage analysis. Okay. Finally, the overall efficiency, operational efficiency insights. So it's overall like that. We have seen there is a variance of 39,600 units. So definitely it's a high variance as per this particular data set. So definitely company has to look how to improve it, how to reduce it. Okay, and the company also have to see on which one that particular shrinkage trend was high. Just like on the January, we can see it's 2.18%, and March it's 2.17%, because it is higher than the average. We have seen over the dashboard that average shrinkage rate is 2.14%, but for this particular month, it is on higher side. So company has to check what was wrong for these months. Okay, other key insights are related regional concentrations from that dashboard. We saw that Delhi, Maharashtra, Gujarat collectively account for over 65% of the total shrinkage value. There were some issues related to the persistent store level are also there. Product loss are also there. There are various products in retail store which have high shrinkage level, but their sales performance is very low. So company has to look all the things to improve. Okay, so strategic recommendations are simple. At the store level, they have to check the store uh, where the shrinkage values are highest. They also have to check the products where the shrinkage value and the shrinkage quantity are on higher side, and on the basis of that, they have to take required decision. Main the key important parameter here for overall analysis, that shrinkage rate and efficiency score various very necessary. Okay, that's the company had to do. So conclusion is simply it's saying that we have seen that the as per this particular database, which is for the period 1st Jan 2024 to 30th June 2024, we can see the shrinkage value of 21 billion, and shrinkage quantity was around 39,600. So it's very necessary company the main things which the company have to see that there should be an improvement in the same in the next for the next second half, means for the next half of the year. Basically this particular data is for the first half, so it's very necessary for the company they have the proper data. There should be improvement in the second half. On the basis of this analysis, they have to focus on the products, they have to focus on the stores, they have to focus on the particular categories, brands, and all these things, and after that they can take the required measures. Okay, so that's the brief about this particular project. I hope you like it, and please share your feedback. And I am also exploring so many things related to data analytics, so if you have anything or you would like to share anything, or you want to connect with me, please drop me message over LinkedIn. Okay, I will include the dashboard as well as GitHub link of this project along with particular insight file on my LinkedIn post. So once again, thanks. Have a nice rest of the day.